Kábíyèsí Oba Professor Saka Adelola Matemilola Olowo Oluyalo Otileta the seventh. This is the king that all kings are envying. Here is our king, the achiever. Here is our king, the silent philanthropist. Our king, the kind-hearted one. Our king who pays attention to detail. Our king who is concerned about the littlest one in his kingdom. Kábíyèsí tiwa ọba tiwa. Ẹ bá ń ṣe kábíyèsí orí adé. Kábíyèsí orí olóhùn tún jẹ́. Ẹ ṣe kábíyèsí olóhùn. Kábíyèsí o. Ẹ ṣe kábíyèsí ọba Matemilola. Ẹ bá ń ṣe kábíyèsí olóhùn olúyọlé. Kábíyèsí olúyọlé. Kábíyèsí lásìkò tí. Eku akébí eku, ẹyẹ akébí ẹyẹ, àwọn ọmọ ènìyàn á ṣèṣe ènìyàn, a ó máa ga lókè lókè. Over to you, sir.
Please sit down. Ẹ jókòó. Ọlọ́run àgbà ń pọ́n ilé o. Ẹ ṣeun. Kábíyèsí Elédùmarè, ọba tó ní àkóso gbogbo nǹkan pátápátá. Mo kí gbogbo wa káàbọ̀ sí àpéjọ yìí tí a ní ká bá wọn oníròyìn sọ̀rọ̀. I welcome everyone to this press conference today, and I thank you all for coming around. I start by glorifying the creator of everything that exists, commander-in-chief of our lives. This is the official launch address by myself, Oba Saka Adelola Matemilola Oluyalo Otileta the 7th, Olowo of Owu, today, Monday, 28th of October, 2025. Distinguished guests, Kábíyèsís, Oloris, chiefs, pressmen and presswomen, security operatives, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, to unity and to our unwavering commitment to shared humanity. It's a vivid reminder that the strongest bond we possess is the connection we foster with one another. I'll then go on to reflections for the past year. Over the past 1 year, every initiative that we have undertaken here in the kingdom has been rooted in care. We have reached out to our most vulnerable, ensuring that they are seen, that they are heard, and that they are supported such that they can thrive as well, not just survive. We have made investments in the dreams of our youth. We have created opportunities for them to thrive and find their voices. United as a community, we have addressed challenges, we have celebrated the heritage that unites us, and we have welcomed visitors that are eager to discover the soul of our culture. The recognition we have received from afar is a reflection of the harmony and the spirit that we cultivated within our kingdom. I'll now go on to our flagship program, which we call the Olowu Hope Initiative, OHI for short. The Olowu Hope Initiative stands at the forefront of our activities. In just a few years, OHI has positively impacted thousands of lives. Tens of millions of naira have been raised in community funds. We have used it to empower women to establish and expand their businesses through interest-free loans. Hundreds of students now enjoy confidence that comes with full scholarships. Communities that are once neglected now benefit from boreholes and healthcare outreaches that have been delivered that are essential care to hundreds across our towns and villages. The Olowo Hope Initiative exists as a deliberate force for transformation and is rooted in compassion and driven by purpose. Our mission is to restore dignity and improve quality of life, to enhance the lives and strengthen communities across the whole kingdom and beyond by expanding access to healthcare, education, skills training, and economic opportunities. We aim to empower individuals to foster self-reliance and build lasting prosperity for generations to come. OHI has 4 strategic pillars, and I'll go through each of them briefly. In your hands, you have a list of some of the key achievements that we have made in the different areas, but I'll just paraphrase them while you can dig into details with the documents in your hands. The first one is enterprise and skills development. The second is education. The third is about health and well-being. And the fourth one is environmental sustainability and climate action. Each pillar represents a vital area of focus that ensures that our resources and partnerships are channeled towards priorities that yield great impact and ensure enduring success. Now I'll speak about the first pillar, which is about enterprise and skills development. We all know that progress hinges on the ability to earn a living with dignity. Many families have lost this chance due to lack of capital and lack of skills. Thus, we have invested not only in providing funds, but also in building the capacity to use them effectively, turning humble beginnings into lasting transformation. The OHI Women Empowerment Program is the first I'll speak about under the enterprise and skills development. Empowering women is a powerful strategy for uplifting entire communities. Through the OHI Women Empowerment Fund, our goal is to support at least 50,000 women with interest-free capital, skills training, and mentorship. In partnership with Lotus Bank and other world partners, this fund nurtures women entrepreneurs, inspiring a new generation of financially independent, community-focused leaders. The program encompasses business loans and mentorship and skills development as well. Recognizing that access to affordable finance is a key barrier for many women, OHI has bridged this gap with interest-free microcredit, capacity building, and structured pathways to formal finance. On 30th September 2025, our Minister for Women Affairs, Hajia Iman Sulaiman Ibrahim, right here in this palace, launched the OHI Women Empowerment Fund as a grassroots initiative set to transform Owo Kingdom and beyond, and serve as a model for community-led development nationwide. I'll now go on to skills acquisition and vocational training. We all know that capital alone is not sufficient without the right skills. Through practical hands-on training, especially in ICT, fashion design, construction, and agribusiness, OHI Business Education and Skill Acquisition Program equips women and youth with the tools to seize opportunities and to thrive. This approach combines vocational training, entrepreneurship, coaching, apprenticeship, and mentorship, creating real pathways to both self-employment and wage jobs, with future plans to scale these efforts to other communities beyond our kingdom. I'll speak about the second pillar, which is about education. Education is a catalyst for breaking the cycle of poverty. Therefore, OHI's education program ensures that children can access quality education at all levels, from primary to university. This support eases financial burdens on families and equips children with the knowledge to shape a brighter future. Now, what's OHI education approach? It's about breaking the cycle of poverty. Through scholarships, learning support, and teacher capacity building, OHI has created not just access, but the quality of education. We anticipate classrooms filled with eager learners, staying longer, learning better, and inspiring communities to value education as a pathway to dignity and leadership. We have a Olowu Scholars program which we launched about 3 years ago, which provides full scholarship covering tuition, uniforms, and examination fees from primary to university level. It reduces financial pressures on the most needy and the most deserving in our community. We also have a meal a day program, which guarantees at least one nutritious meal per day for malnourished pupils in partner schools. It improves attendance and concentration as well as academic performance. To support this meal a day, we created what we call the Olowu Cowrie Fund. Now, this is what we call culture meets innovation. It revives the Olowu 3 printed Cowrie gift card, the Cowrie app, and Cowrie tokens, which blends tradition symbols with modern educational tools. Now, let me speak briefly about the Scholars Program and Meal a Day. Now, we have now expanded the Olowu Scholars Program to 4 of our local governments in Ogun Central. We started off with Abeokuta North local government. We expanded it to Abeokuta South, to Iweko local government, and then to Ifo local government. In the last academic session, we supported close to 300 students, paying for their WAEC as well as their JAM examination fee. We also provided tuition for these students, which they attend 4 days a week from Mondays to Thursdays in 8 different subjects: English, mathematics, 2 science subjects, 2 arts subjects, as well as 2 commercial subjects. We also engaged consultants who guided these pupils on how to fill properly the JAM examination form, and also to train them in CBT, computer-based examination. And this has markedly improved the performance of these students, not just in the WAEC, but also in their JAM scores. We have at least a quarter of our students who scored over 300 in the last JAM, and we feel very proud about this. The Meal a Day program, we started out with Abeokuta North local government primary school, which is just across the road from the palace here. Now, how did we identify the kids that we gave the first batch of support to? We engaged with a consultant, medical consultant called Sisaha. Their headquarters is based in Canada, to do a comprehensive medical check for them, which covers not just nutritional status of these children, how well nourished they are, but also things around dental care, sickle cell anemia, and all sorts, including ophthalmic support services as well. And during the test, it was discovered that at least 2/3 of these children are malnourished. 2/3. So we decided that we will start out with a meal a day program with these malnourished kids. We started out this term on this, and today we are very happy that these children are becoming properly nourished, and the attendance in school has now improved significantly over the last few months that we started this out. So going forward, we intend to expand this program, learning from the humble beginnings that we started out at the beginning of this term, to expand it to other schools in a gradual, phased manner, to cover as many schools as we can have capacity for the next coming semesters or terms. Then teacher training and support. We invested in continuous professional development, modern teaching methods, and child-centered learning, which transforms teachers into mentors and guides. This has also helped to motivate the teachers and also to encourage them to do better, improving their skills and their capacity to train our children as well. Infrastructure and learning resources. This improves our school facilities. It provides essential materials and expand access to technology, ensure that children learn in safe and inspiring environments. In the last few months, one of our chiefs supported us to build new toilet facilities at a school close by. It's called Holy Trinity Nursery Primary School in Bagura land, which is just close to the palace here. Today, after the press conference and the prayers, we'll be going there to go and commission those toilets. We have also done quite a number of support, provided borehole to Gateway Secondary School at Itayalode. We also renovated the toilets at the Energy Primary School across the palace. We provided borehole to another school at Central Primary School at Olomori. And we've done quite a number of these in other schools across Ogun Central in the Central District. So I'm now going to health and well-being. We all know that a healthy community is a prosperous community. Therefore, the OHI Community Health Program goes beyond treating illnesses. It seeks to build resilience and to unlock the full productive potential of our people. We provide preventive care and health literacy through supporting government vaccination drives, malaria prevention, nutrition and hygiene campaigns, and screenings for hypertension, diabetic, sickle cell, and many more. Strengthening primary health care. Specialized medical outreaches such as eye care missions, provision of vital treatments, restoring dignity and capacity to families. Community-based insurance scheme. This enables families to get affordable premiums for access to a network of trusted clinics, making healthcare accessible and sustainable. Now, we have carried out quite a number of these healthcare outreaches. About 2 months ago, we carried out an ophthalmic medical outreach whereby we covered over 1,800 patients and also covered over 150 operations, medical operations with our eye surgery. Now, each of these operations ordinarily costs between 1.2 million naira and 1.5 million naira. And you can imagine what that means for caring for over 150 patients. The 1,800 patients who came, there are some who came from as far as Ogbomoso, Osogbo, Lagos, Ibadan, and other places just to benefit from that program. So I want to thank all those who supported us to carry out all of these healthcare programs. We also have the school health programs, regular school-based screenings and nutritional initiatives, tracking with digital tools, ensuring health care needs of our children are met for optimal learning. As a matter of fact, the school healthcare program is one of those programs that we use to identify those that are in dire need of nutritional support at the energy school. That was about a few months ago. Now, the fourth pillar, environmental sustainability and climate action. True empowerment must also protect the environment. OHI's commitment to sustainability ensures that development today does not compromise the future. Our focus includes promoting renewable energy, climate-smart agriculture, tree planting, and waste-to-wealth initiatives. Recall that a few months ago, during the World Environmental Day, the Ogun State government decided that they were going to launch that day, celebrate that day, right here with us in the palace here, considering the fact that they have recognized the effort we're making in terms of sustainability of our environment. At attendance at that program was our First Lady, Her Excellency, Mrs. Abiodun, who was in attendance along with the Commissioner for Environment and other dignitaries. On that day, we collected so many plastic bottles and materials that even the ministry was overwhelmed with the response they received from our neighboring communities here. And On the base of that, the ministry decided that they were going to partner with us to further the cause of sustainability of environment in our community. So there are two things that we have done in particular thereafter. The first is the Green Energy Palace. Today, Olo Palace stands as the first and the only world, the only 100% green palace in the entire world. It's powered solely by renewable energy. The energy you're enjoying here is not by PHCN, it's not by generator, it's solar powered, what you're enjoying right now. This innovation lights the streets of Owu. It offers free phone charging to residents. It sets a global example for sustainability. OHI plans to extend these renewable energy solutions to the wider community, enhancing quality of life and business productivity. The second is the plastic recycling plant, which the Ogun State Ministry of Environment is partnering with us and is helping to provide support for. So in partnership with the Ogun State Ministry of Environment, OHI has initiated a plastic collection and recycling project at Owu. Residents will be incentivized to recycle plastics, which will be processed into fibers, fabrics, household items, and packaging materials that will enable us to transform waste into economic opportunity. In conclusion, I extend my gratitude to all that's present here today and to our partners, our supporters, and the committee members. Together, we are building a legacy of compassion, a legacy of innovation, and a shared prosperity. I encourage us to continue to unite our efforts for the greater good of Owu Kingdom and beyond. Thank you very much. So I'm happy to take questions, clarifications, comments, but then to the pressmen and women, you have a sheet with you which kind of summarizes the key achievements in the 4 key areas, the pillar that I just spoke about, the tangible things that we have achieved in those areas. Thank you very much. Tolu?
Thank you very much, sir. Ẹ bá mi ṣe kábíyèsí ológun. Ẹ jẹ́ á dìde ká ṣe kábíyèsí orí adé. Ẹ ṣe kábíyèsí ọba Matemilola.
Going. Okay.
Ọ̀gá kọ̀ǹkọ̀ǹ.
Chairman, ẹ jẹ́ kí chairman kọjá ẹ̀kọ́ ẹ̀jẹ̀ máa bínú jáde. Adó níṣẹ́ nìyẹn. Ẹgbàá mọ́ gbàdé.
On behalf of the entire staff and learners of Abeokuta North Local Government Primary School, Iru Oba, I warmly welcome you and our guests. Long live Abeokuta North Local Government Primary School. Long live Owu Kingdom. Thank you and God bless. Kábíyèsí sir.
Ẹ ṣé gan, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kábíyèsí àwọn ọmọ wa sọ pé káàjọ káwọn pọ̀ sáré ìdákẹ́ bàbá àwọn oníṣẹ́jú márùn-ún péré nítorí ẹ̀.
You are welcome to the kingdom. Happy stay with us in the States. You are welcome. You are welcome to NLG. You are welcome to the kingdom. Happy stay with us in the States. You are welcome. Thank you for the opportunity given to us and the energy school. All learners appreciate you. God lives, Owu Kingdom.
How are you? Agbádùn orin yín o, àdẹ̀gbádùn àdúrà tẹ̀sí fún kábíyèsí. Ọdún ti bẹ̀rẹ̀, àdẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí lọ from one place to another. Eléyìí tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí is so important. Why? Tí tọ́ílẹ̀tì ò bá dáa, oríṣiríṣi àrùn láti kó ń bẹ̀. Ká máa ṣe káàkiri, wá di pé ìṣinṣin àtúbàlẹ̀ oúnjẹ kò tí ẹ̀ bójú mu. So nǹkan tó ń ṣe, àwọn lè máa mọ̀ yìí nǹkan tó ń ṣe yìí, but nǹkan ńlá ni tí kábíyèsí dẹ̀ fọwọ́ sí. Nǹkan tí kábíyèsí wá dẹ̀ ń fẹ́ nìyẹn. Ká keep to standard. Tálejò bá wá, wọ́n lè mú wọn wá bí. Ká fi every school yan kàn. Káwọn ọmọ náà dẹ̀ máa kọ́ about standards. Because ìyẹn náà máa lò nílé wọn, àtobìnrin àtọkùnrin. Obìnrin tí ó bá lè clean the toilet, tí ó bá lè ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀, ibi ló ti máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí kọ́ the importance of cleaning toilets, making it to be very very clean. Mi ò ní sọ̀rọ̀ jù yẹn lọ. Ẹ ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ dá sí gbogbo èyí tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lénìí. Àwọn gbé owó sílẹ̀. But tí ẹ̀yin ò bá supervise, tí ọmọ Gbádéró ò bá supervise, tí gbogbo wa ò bá rí ní òkúnkúndùn, kò ní ṣeé ṣe. Ọlọ́run la dúpẹ́ fún pé ó ṣeé ṣe lénìí. Kábíyèsí o. Kábíyèsí o.
Faith Okoro. Máa lọ sí o. Orúkọ ènìyàn o. Orúkọ ènìyàn tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá mọ̀. Faith Okoro máa ní ọdún ní ìwọ̀n ẹ̀sìn. Ìwọ̀n àtàwọn akẹgbẹ́ rẹ̀. Ọlọ́run adá iṣẹ́ o. Ẹ̀ṣọ́ rere. Ọmọ tá a fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ dín dáadáa fún àìkéde lè kíkọ́. Nígbà tó wá ní o. Mo kí gbogbo àwa tí a wà níbí lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí. Mo láti kí báyìí mọ̀ ní pàtàkì fún àtìlẹ́yìn. Lágbà tí a ti mọ́ra gbogbo tó bá ti jẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ wa lóhùn, ọ̀rọ̀ ìdàgbàsókè, ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ̀síwájú wọn gbẹ́yìn rárá. Báyìí wọ́n á pè mí, kábíyèsí báyìí ni o, láti fẹ́ gbà ọ̀yá ẹ̀kọ́ síwájú, ọ̀yá ẹ̀ náà ìbò ìfọwájú ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀. Wọ́n ní iṣẹ́ ìrẹ̀wẹ̀sì. Bákan náà gbà tí akígbó tó wà níjú ìfọ̀dù wà ń bẹ̀, àméjì máa ń dá sí lọ́rùn gbà ọ̀yá ẹ máa bá a ṣe àyè, ẹ̀yìn làgbàlagbà ń bẹ̀ ẹ máa bá a tún ṣe. Nílé náà ń gbà tí wọ́n dé bákan náà ni ìpínlẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ yóò. Ẹ̀mí ìfẹ́ tẹ́ fi ń bá wa lò, ẹ̀mí kó lè da tẹ́ fi ń ṣe ọlọ́wà nígbà lọ́wọ́ yìí. Ẹ ṣẹ̀dẹ̀ kò fún gba ohun èèyàn wa ní pàápàá jùlọ ní ọjọ́ ìní àwọn ọmọ wa tí a wá ṣe ìdẹ̀kùn pẹ̀lú ilé ìgbọ̀nsẹ̀ tá a wá bá wọn tún ṣe ọlọ́wà nípa ní ìtọ́rọ yín dẹ́kun ìtakùn sílẹ̀ fún ọlọ́wà. Gbogbo àwọn èèyàn wa tí wọ́n lè rí eléyìí náà táwọn náà tó ṣe kí ọlọ́run fún aláǹfààní pé kí wọ́n lè ṣerú kan báyìí wọ́n máa kí wọ́n lè kán lọ́lẹ̀ pọ̀ṣọ́jú wọn náà lè ṣe dáadáa báyìí. Torí mọ̀ ẹ́ pé ó kéré ó pọ̀ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wa ló ṣe pé ìṣe ọwọ́ ìtàbọ̀ ló jẹ́ pé bóyá kò sọ sí wa lọ́kàn ni àmọ́ tá a bá láwọn tó ń ṣe báyìí ó yẹ kó jẹ́ ohun tí ó máa wà náà lórí káwọn oníkà náà dá sí oníkà náà wá bí tá a lè ṣe irú nǹkan báyìí. Àgọ́ Ọ̀bà ni o, Kọ́bítì ni o, Ìyànà Ọ̀fà ni o, Ìjọ Ọ̀fà ni o, káàkiri láti ṣe. Ní bí ọ̀sẹ̀ méjì sẹ́yìn a lọ sí yàrá ìgbọ̀nsẹ̀ bíi mẹ́fà méjọ tiẹ̀ ní Daniel Akíntọ́ndé special school. Àwọn ọmọdé tó ń wà ní iléèwé yìí àwọn tí wọ́n ní ìpèníjà ní àwọn àkàndá ọmọ. Nígbà tí a lọ síbẹ̀ ta ní gbogbo àgbà ní a gbọ́dọ̀ wá mú iléèwé gẹ́gẹ́ bí iléèwé tiwa. Mo pe commissioner fún ètò ẹ̀kọ́ sáyẹ́ǹsì àti ìmọ̀ ẹ̀rọ àjọlọ síbẹ̀ àjọlọ ọ̀gbọ̀n. Nígbà tí a rí arígbésẹ́ tó wà gbé pọ̀ gan-an àwa ní ká máa kọ́ fi bẹ̀rẹ̀ a máa kọ́ fún wọn ní bẹ́ẹ̀dì tuntun, a máa fún mattress tuntun, a máa kọ́ ní ìgbọ̀nsẹ̀ tuntun fún wọn, a máa bá wọn tún yàrá ìgbọ̀njẹ wọn kàntí a máa bá wọn tún ṣe. Yàrá ìdáná wọn táwọn tó ń ṣe oúnjẹ fún wọn tó ń ṣe a máa bá wọn tún ṣe. ibi tó ń pè ní dispensary a máa sọ̀rọ̀ clinic a lè máa gba doctor àti nurse fún ọ a máa bá ọkọ̀ hostel míì àti wá ọlọ́run àlọ́ àti wá ṣe ìpele ìpele phase 1 a ṣe bí ọ̀sẹ̀ méjì tó kọjá pẹ̀lú commissioner for education wọ́n dúgbà tán rí wọ́n dẹ̀ rí pé àkànṣe ní pé lọ́gbọ́kẹ́ wọ́n máa táwọn rí àtọ́ rí mattress wọ̀nyẹn ó ga tó yìí ẹ̀tẹ́wá tó social media tó nípọn dáadáa ni àwọn bẹ́ẹ̀dì wọ̀nyẹn gbọ́dọ̀ ló bá a ṣe tó nípọn dáadáa àwọn náà rí pé àkànṣe pé kọ́kànmọ́ ẹ̀pà ọmọ ìpè tó máa tọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ láti sílẹ̀ ó dẹ̀ ṣe kúrò nìyẹn torí àwọn ọmọdé wọ̀nyí ọlọ́run dẹ̀bi sí ni o wọ́n á dúró àdúgbò àwọn alọ́wọ́ tá a bá fún ọ láǹfààní láti rí kí àwọn náà kí wọ́n lè fi tálẹ̀ǹtì wọn hàn wọ́n tọ́ lè dé o lára wọn a lè gómìnà lára wọn a lè rọ́bà lára wọn a lè mínísítà a lè sẹ́nétọ̀ a lè pírẹ́sìdẹ̀ntì kan apà tí wàá ló ṣe tí ẹ̀kọ́ yẹn ká ṣe ìdẹ̀kùn fún wọn ká ṣe àdúrótì fún wọn kí wọ́n bá kálábà lè dẹ̀ wọ́n káwọn náà máa rí pé nígbà tó bá gòkè àgbà àwọn náà láti máa ṣe irú bẹ́ẹ̀ fún àwọn tí wọ́n bá bùkátà sí ohun dáadáa bẹ́ẹ̀ ọlọ́run àgbà ìdáwà ṣe kọ́lọ́run bá tàbí ọlọ́run wá gbà ní ìṣòro wọn ọlọ́run àsọ̀gbà ní ẹ̀sùn rẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan tó fi wá pé àṣẹ ohun àkó ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ ọdún tàdé wá ṣe ọlọ́run ní ṣe àṣemọ́ fún wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ẹmọ ipò kí owó yán ẹ̀dúró àdìgbẹ́ fún wa pẹ̀lú ọlọ́run bá orin yá kò pẹ̀lú ọlọ́run bá ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀kùsọ̀mọ̀ bí èéfín ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ àdógbẹ́ àkójọpọ̀.
Adre and Cultural Festival 2025. Abeokuta, get ready to make history again. Ashadi and Aduke Foundation, in conjunction with ATJ Textile, proudly presents the 3rd International Adre and Cultural Festival with the theme Threads of Legacy, Pattern of Prosperity. Date Monday 10th to Saturday 15th of November 2025 at the Alake Hall, Abeokuta Club, IBB Boulevard, Okilewa, Abeokuta. Time 10 a.m. daily. Featuring Adre Production Competition, Cultural Health Walk, Free Medical Outreach, local games, symposiums, exhibition, book launch, Adre Masterclass, fashion runway, cultural performances, and lots of local food and drinks. Royal Fathers of the Day, Oba Professor Saka Adelola Matemilola, the Olowu of Owu Kingdom, and Oba Joshua Olusegun Phillips Ogunshola, the Oruda of Olorunda Kingdom. Mothers of the Day, Chief Mrs. Bola Obasanjo, Ambassador Chief Mrs. Susan Ibirunke Folarin, Queen Adijat Bamidele Matemilola, and Queen Aminat Matemilola. Panelist, Dr. Mrs. Abimbola Oni, Mr. Duni Adeshiji, Mr. D.S. Akinyemi, and Dr. Mrs. Braid. Other dignitaries include Dr. Sheye Kende, Babatunde Kilani, and many more. It is going to be a whole week of colors, culture, and creativity. Adre and Cultural Festival 2025, from our roots to the world. Don't miss it.
Today, go set to see Nigeria. Today, go set to see Nigeria. Kò yé wa mọ́ o, Ọlọ́run jọ̀wọ́ wá dá sí o. Jésù dìde, kò ṣètò sí Nàìjíríà, Ọlọ́run wá. Bembeyeke TV ìkànnì eléyìí ládùn jù, ó gbafẹ́ ó gbààyè, òun ni ẹ máa wò.